Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's on everyone's mind: losing weight at home. In this video, we'll be diving into the benefits of 5 simple workout routines that can help you shed those extra pounds. So let's get started. Before we jump into the routines, let's talk about the numerous benefits of exercising at home. Firstly, it's convenient. You don't have to worry about commuting to the gym or fitting workouts into your busy schedule. Working out at home gives you the flexibility to exercise whenever and wherever you want. Another major advantage is privacy. Many people feel self-conscious about their bodies or intimidated by the gym environment. By exercising at home, you create a comfortable and judgment-free space where you can focus solely on your health and fitness goals. So watch the full video because you can't imagine what you are going to get in this video, so keep watching the full video. I will try to explain step by step now. Let's move on to the first routine: jumping jacks. This classic exercise is excellent for burning calories. It engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and shoulders. And improving cardiovascular health. Start by standing with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your legs out to the sides while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Repeat this motion for 30 seconds to a minute. Remember to maintain proper form and engage your core muscles throughout the exercise. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up and kick-start your weight loss journey. Next up, we have squats. This compound exercise targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings while also engaging your core. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips, as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest lifted and your weight on your heels. Rise back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 10 to 12 reps. Squats are fantastic for building lower body strength and toning your muscles. Plus, they burn a significant amount of calories, aiding in weight loss. Moving on to our third routine: push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that primarily target your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Begin in a high plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions. Push-ups are an effective way to build upper body strength and increase muscle tone. They also engage your core muscles, contributing to a stronger, leaner physique. Now let's move on to mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise targets your core, shoulders, and legs. Start in a high plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs. Continue alternating between legs for 30 seconds to a minute. Mountain climbers provide an excellent cardio workout while engaging your entire body. They can help improve your endurance and boost your metabolism, ultimately assisting with weight loss. Lastly, we have the plank, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core muscles. Begin by positioning yourself face down on the floor, resting on your forearms and toes. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your abs and glutes. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Planks are renowned for their ability to improve core stability and posture. They also activate multiple muscle groups, leading to a higher calorie burn and increased fat loss. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple workout routines that you can do at home to kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Keep striving for your goals. Bye for now.